My name's Josiah Brooks. Online I go by Jazza, and I'm an artist and a full-time YouTuber. And all my life I've loved sharing art and creativity with people all around the world. I am just addicted to that feeling you get transforming a blank page or canvas into something new. When you sculpt clay or stone, transforming it from something coarse and formless into something that tells a story. So as each project I take on gets bigger and my personal quest to explore creativity leads me to new places, the speed and polish of my creative output depends increasingly on the tools I have to work with. Because when you have the right tools, you can really push your craft to a new level. When I started using the ZenBook Pro Duo, I knew that I had an incredibly powerful tool in my hands. Now, of course, the Intel Core i9 processor, RTX 2060 graphics and 32GB RAM are impressive on their own, but really they're just the beginning. The incredible parts are the things I'd never thought I could have in a laptop. I mean, every desktop workspace I've ever used in the past decade has demanded multiple screens. I simply feel constrained without more than one monitor, and now I have a laptop that lets me have that on the go. Now, my production process demands multiple high-intensity workflows, from Adobe Premiere, After Effects, Photoshop and Animate to DaVinci Resolve, Cubase, loads more. And for the first time, I have a portable device that can handle all of it. The picture-perfect display is one of my favourite features. The 4K OLED display really stands out. It's especially powerful when colour grading video footage or creating digital art, and due to it being 100% DCI P3 Pantone validated, the colours are always vibrant but accurate, and the contrast is just amazing. The large screen and the minimal bezels mean that I'm always pulled right in to whatever I'm working on. And the one-of-a-kind Screen Pad Plus features enable me to switch between carefully constructed program layouts with a single touch. For color grading and editing, I work with Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve in my main display, keeping the footage of the browser always available on the second display. For art and illustration, I have Photoshop open on the large monitor and my file browser and web browser open on the opposite screen, and with a single button press I can swap them over and fine-tune the details by hand with the included stylus. And for general use on any computer I use, I usually have two browsers open at the same time, Chrome and Firefox logged into different things. So not only can I do that, but I can use the other screen to have my files and music always at the ready. But most of all, my favourite thing is that there isn't a single compromise in the ZenBook Pro Duo, which means that I don't have to compromise no matter what I want to create or where I want to create it in my search of incredible.